Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the SSD 2230, remove the screw securing the side cover. Slide the cover off the device. Identify the hard drive assembly and undo the latches securing it to the system. Remove the hard drive. Loosen the screw securing the solid-state drive and lift the drive away from the system. To reinstall the SSD 2230, align the notch with the tab and secure it with the correct screw. Reinsert the hard drive. Place the side cover back on the device and secure it with the screw. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.